Get ready. Start. It has been laid down in Rule 4 of the Rules IVID that where a reserved vacancy remains unfilled on account of non-availability of a suitable ex-serviceman, such vacancy may be filled in temporarily from any other source in accordance with the rules regulating the recruitment and conditions of service of persons appointed to the such posts as if the vacancy was not reserved, and such a reserved vacancy shall be carried forward for the subsequent occasions for recruitment, spreading over a period not exceeding 4 years, with a view to ensure due representation to ex-servicemen in service as provided in the rules IVID. It shall be necessary for the appointing authority to obtain a non-availability certificate from the Department of Defence Services Welfare, Punjab, before the reserved vacancies are filled up temporarily from any other source in accordance with the recruitment rules for the time being in force. For filling up vacancies which are not reserved, In this connection, it has also been intimated that where an ex-serviceman does not himself fulfill the necessary qualifications, etc. for the post, only one dependent sons or daughters of ex-serviceman who fulfill the conditions of qualifications, age, etc. prescribed for the various posts is to be considered on merit, subject to non-availability of suitable ex-servicemen. The above said instructions may also be kept in mind while filling up the vacancies reserved for ex-servicemen. Next para. The roster already existed would not be abandoned but would now be maintained in continuation from the point in existing roster last filled up. For example, if according to the present vacancies up to 19 point have been filled before the publication of the new rules and the above point was filled by a released army personnel, the next point that will fall to the share of ex-servicemen would be 27th and not 20th, so as to ensure that the number of reserved points should allow only 15% reservation as envisaged under the rules. In the case of PCS medical and engineering services, the roster is to be started afresh and be filled up according to the new pattern of points specified in this matter letter. Next para. The new rules may kindly be brought to the notice of all employees working under you for their information and guidance, specifically pointing out to them that the old rules mentioned above have been repealed. Stop.